In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track email opens in HubSpot. If you want to understand how your email campaigns are performing, tracking opens is one of the quickest ways to measure engagement. HubSpot makes this pretty straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly review your email results. To get started, go to your HubSpot account and sign in. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you'll be able to access the tools needed to review your email activity. If you use HubSpot regularly, this process will feel familiar, but if you're newer to the platform, don't worry. Everything is organized in a way that's easy to follow. From the main navigation, click on Marketing. This section contains the tools related to campaigns, customer outreach, and engagement reporting. Since email tracking is part of your marketing performance, this is where you need to begin. Next, click on Email. This will take you to the area where all of your marketing emails are managed. Here you can review sent emails, draft new ones, and, most importantly for this tutorial, analyze how your messages performed after they were delivered. Once you're in the email section, click the Analyze tab at the top. This is where HubSpot gives you a broader view of email performance across your campaigns. You'll see charts and metrics that help you understand what's happening with your emails, including open rate, bounce rate, and click rate. The open rate helps you gauge how many recipients actually opened your email, while bounce rate shows delivery issues, and click rate tells you how many people interacted with your content after opening it. Reviewing these metrics together gives you a better picture of overall engagement instead of looking at opens alone. If you want more detailed information, click on any specific sent email. This opens up the Performance tab for that email, where you can see a more focused breakdown of results. In this view, HubSpot lets you drill down into recipient activity, including which recipients opened the email. This is especially useful if you want to evaluate the performance of a single campaign, compare messaging, or identify highly engaged contacts. And that's it. By going to your HubSpot account, opening the marketing section, selecting email, using the Analyze tab, and then opening a specific sent email for deeper performance details, you can easily track email opens and better understand how your audience is responding.